For today's video, I will talk about my favorite subject. My favorite subject is mathematics. I love mathematics because it can be challenging, but I find the satisfaction of solving a difficult problem or proving a theorem highly rewarding. The sense of accomplishment that comes from understanding a complex mathematical concept can be deeply fulfilling. So, we have here some topic that I will discuss. First is the expression. The term expression in mathematics refers to a combination of numbers, variables, and mathematics operations, such as subtraction, multiplication, addition, division, and etc. that together represent a mathematical statement. So, dito po, ang ibig sabihin po ng expression is, this refers to a mathematical statement that can be evaluated to produce a single value. A mathematical statement naman, this emphasizes that an expression is a component of mathematics and follow the rules and conventions of mathematical notation. Involving only numbers, this indicates that the expression may consist of numerical values such as integers, fractions, decimals, or constants, and one or more operation symbols. This specifies the expression contains mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and other operations. These operations are used to manipulate the numbers within the expressions to produce a result. So, the sentence is explaining that an expression in mathematics is a combination of numbers and mathematical operations following mathematical rules and resulting in a single numerical value when evaluated. To break apart the problem and determine which operation symbol is needed, as well as put out data for the expression, you would typically follow these steps. So first, we need to identify the mathematical operations. We will look at the problem or the context provided to determine which mathematical operations are involved. So dito, this could include addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and etc. Extract the data. Identify the numerical values or variables provided in the problem. These are the quantities that will be manipulated using the chosen operations. Understand the relationship. Determine how the numerical values or variables are related to each other. This will help you decide which operations to use. Formulate the expression. Based on the identified operation and data, construct the expression using the appropriate mathematical symbols. For example po is, if you have two numbers that need to be added together, use the addition symbol. Check for clarity. Ensure the expression you formulated accurately represent the relationship between the given data and aligns with the mathematical operations specified in the problem. So, let's illustrate this process with an example. John has 5 apples and gives 3 to his friend. How many apples does John have left? So, dito po, we have steps po. Sa step 1, nung katulad nga po kanina, we need to identify the mathematical operation. Yun nga, the problem is involve subtraction because John is giving away some apples. Second is extract the data. The numerical values provided are 5. The initial number of apple John has, yun na nga yung 5. And 3, yung 3 naman, ito yung the number of apples he gives to his friend. So, punta na tayo sa step 3. Understand the relationship. Since John is giving away some apples, we need to subtract the number of apples given to the initial number of apple he has. So, sa step 4 naman, formulate the expression. The expression for this problem is 5 minus 3. Sa natin, check for clarity na. The expression accurately represent the situation described in the problem, where John's initial number of apples is 5, reduced by the number he gives away, which is yung tatlong binigay niya sa kaibigan niya. So, we have here 2 examples. So, the first one is the sum of 65 and P. So, ang sagot dito is magiging 65 plus P. So, i-explain ko kung bakit naging 65 plus P yung sagot. Yung P dito, ito yung variable natin. And yung no. I will explain how to express the sum of the numbers 65 and a variable P in mathematical notation. Step 1 is identify the mathematical operation. The problem involves addition because we are finding the sum of 2 numbers, which is yung 65 and yung variable na P. Step 2 is extract the data. The numerical value provided is 65 and the variable is yung letter P, represents an unknown quantity. Sa step 3 naman, we need to formulate the expression. To express the sum of 65 and P in mathematical notation, we use the addition symbol, so the expression becomes 65 plus P. Sa step 4 naman, explanation of the expression. The expression 65 plus P represents adding the known value of 65 to the unknown value, represented by the variable P. It indicates that we are adding to the numerical value 65 to the value of variable P, whatever it may be. Sa step 5 naman, we need to check for clarity. The expression accurately represents the sum of 65 and P and is clearly and conveying that we are adding these two quantities together. So, the sum of 65 and P is equal to 65 plus P. Ayun na yung pinaka-answer niya, 65 plus P. The sum of 65 and P is equal to 65 plus P. So, we have here more example. No, one na lang pala. Ito, yung less than 55. Yung sagot nito is 55 minus A. Tingnan natin kung bakit naging 55 minus A. Sa step 1 po, 'di ba kanina sa ginawa natin, in-identify muna natin yung mathematical operation ng problem. So the problem involves subtraction because we are subtracting the variable A from the number of 55. Extract the data, yung next step 2. The numerical value provided is 55 and the variable A represents an unknown quantity. Formulate the expression. And step 3. To express the subtraction of subtraction of A from 55 in mathematical notation, we use the subtraction symbol. So, yung ganon. So, the expression becomes 55 minus A. So, step 4 naman is explanation of the expression. The expression 55 minus A represents subtracting the value of A from the unknown value of 55. It indicates that we are subtracting the value of A from 55, whatever the value of A may be. Kahit anong value ng A, pwede mo siyang i-minus sa 55. So, we need to check for clarity sa step 5. The expression accurately represents the subtraction of A from 55 is clearly conveying that we are subtracting A from 55. So, a less than 55 is equal to 55 minus A. So, that's all. Thank you, ma'am.